Right, got those backyard tinkerers. Just doing a short video on harmonic balance removal on a LY7 LEO and also SIDI. They're quite tricky because there's really nothing to get onto them. Like you can use a 3-prong puller, but they do work, but it can be a pain in the ass. We actually went out to Coventry's and bought actual proper remover, actually designed for this style of pulley. Very expensive. I think what was it like? It was about 200 bucks. 200 bucks. Igo's just got it in his hand there. And that's it. It looks like some sort of medieval weapon, but it actually works really well. So Igo's going to bang that on there now, and we're going to show you how to pull this off. It's pretty simple. That's if it doesn't fight or struggle, if it's been Loctited. I don't think it has, because I don't think this vehicle's been played with before. As I said, how many K's it's got? Only about 120 or something, isn't it?
Yeah, 119.
119,000, but even still at 119,000, it's pretty gummed up. Typical Holden. But it will relive again. So yeah, just with a breaker bar. Aussie's already removed the nut with the rattle gun, and you can see it slowly pulling away from the timing cover. It's as simple as that. With a 3-prong, which I used to do way before, used to be a few F's and Q's coming out, but eventually you'd get it. How's it feel? Is it like slipping pretty good?
Coming.
Yeah,
it's coming good.
Yeah, well worth it's $280 or something like that from Covs. That's if you're doing these a fair bit, but
it used to take us an hour or so to get this off.
With a 3-prong, yeah, it was about an hour.
Now it's a matter of minutes.
With the GM timing kit, it also comes with a new harmonic balancer bolt too, which is a plus. There's a lot of other kits, you know, you still pay $600 for them, and you don't really get any extra accessories with it, like gaskets and stuff like that. The kit also comes with Platinum gaskets. We'll show you the kit eventually. I'll do one video on just on the GM Holden kit. Yeah, look at that, okay, that's coming off a piece of piss, isn't it?
Yep. It's nearly there.
Okay. Right tools, make for an easy job. Look at that, just one-handed, beautiful, just gently on that radiator, we don't nick it. Cool. Just an advice, as you see, we've got the radiator still in the vehicle. Generally, like, if you're a bit unconfident and you're a bit uncertain, I usually just get an old carton, beer carton box, and then just open it up and lay it in front of the road, just in case you slip and bang, you're not going to damage any of the finning or puncture a tube. But yeah, that's how you get that balancer off. As you can see, it's come off really good. There's no damage onto the shafts or anything like that with it, just slips off as easy as that. And then yeah, it's a lot of less hassle with it. But you can use a 3-prong standard pulley remover. It is a bit tricky with the popping off and all that sort of stuff, and it'll take you about an hour or so and off your F's and Q's, but you will manage to get it. Alright, but yeah, so that's how to remove the harmonic balancer off a VE or VZ LEO LY7 SEIDI engine. Cheers guys.